this color for eyeshadow look, I'm going to be using a lighter shade concealer so that the colors stand out and pop a little more. So I'm going to be using the Revlon Color Stay concealer in the shade 02 Light. I'm going to take a brush to blend out this concealer. Now, because the consistency of this concealer is a little bit light and it is runny, I'm going to take some setting powder, and this is the AIRSPUN loose finishing powder. I'm going to take that and I'm going to place this all over my eyelid just to set the concealer that I place on my eyelid. This way it doesn't move around, it becomes runny. You want your eyeshadow look to last as long as possible, as long as you're out. So yeah, make sure you set your eyeshadow base in place. Now for this eyeshadow look, I'm going to be using the box of CRAYONS eyeshadow palette. I'm going to place the yellow right here. I want this to be like the beautiful transition shade from all the colors I'm going to add. So I'm going to place it right here first. So it's going to be concentrated on the end, and then I'm going to drag it towards the inside. Always start with a little bit of product and then go ahead and build on from there, because if you add too much of the product and then you need to take something off, you can't go back. So it's better to have a little bit of the product first and then build upon from there. So I'm going to go in the shade green, and like I said, you're going to take a little bit of that and I'm going to place it right below the yellow, and I'm going to blend it in with the yellow so I can have a nice transition. I'm going to go with the shade blue, and I'm also going to blend that shade with the green. Next, I'm going to be creating my cut crease, and I'm going to be using a brush to create my cut crease. And for the cut crease, I'm going to be going in again with the same light concealer that I use, which is the Revlon Color Stay concealer. To set your cut crease as well so that it stays in place and does not move. To go right back into the box of crayons eyeshadow palette, and you're going to take the yellow shade and you're going to place it at the beginning of your cut crease. You're going to go into the orange shade, and this is more of a shimmer rather than a matte shade. It is so beautiful. You want to take that and place it right after the yellow, and you want to make sure that you blend the two together. After the orange, you're going to take the blue shade, and that is going to be your last and final. You're going to take the blue and mix it with a little bit of violet. It creates a really beautiful combo, and place that all the way at the end, right after the orange. It is such a beautiful combo. Again, make sure you blend the blue with the orange. This is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. I hope you guys have an amazing, lovely day, and I will see you guys next time.